This is nice. Ooh, y'all. Wow. She's bomb. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am coming at y'all with a makeup look. I am going to be testing out the Covergirl Trublend matte foundation that everybody on YouTube has been reviewing, testing out, been sent for free. Not your girl, not me. I was in Walmart the other day and I was looking in the makeup section as always. Who doesn't? And I stumbled upon the Covergirl Trublend matte foundation. I didn't know when it was coming out, so it might have been out for a while. I don't know, but I seen it at the store and I was like, yes, I need that. They had all the shade ranges and I was shook. I didn't expect that. D60 on me was a bit too bright, and then D70 was kind of dark on my hand, but my hand is light, I guess. Listen, I don't know. We're going to test this out together and we're going to see how this works. I'm going to do my eyebrows really quickly and I'll be right back. All right, you all. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to I've already moisturized my face using the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I put that all over my face, and then I'm going to prime my face with the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Face Primer. This is for pores and pores only. I do have a mattifying primer that I just purchased, and it is from Wet n Wild. It's the matte face primer, but I don't want to put this matte face primer on top of a foundation that should already be mattifying, so it just doesn't make sense to me. I'm just going to put what I've been normally using, which is just to hide my pores, and my pores are the biggest around this area. Next, I'm going to be putting on the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation in the shade D70 Cappuccino. Like I stated previously, the shade under, which was D60, was way too bright for me, and then D70 was like just a jump. I don't know, it was just weird. D70 on my hand seemed a bit dark, but I was like, you know what, let me just test it out on my face. Let's see how it works. All that jazz. So it does come with a pump, and it does have an indicator where you can see where it closes and then where the product will come out. So I'm gonna just twist the cap, pump one pump on my hand. It is pretty thick and it doesn't budge, so I'm going to apply one side of this on my face using a brush, and then the other one with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. I haven't watched a lot of videos on how good this foundation works or how well it is, but I'm just going to try it out for the first time on camera. Oh, and this is the Sonia Kashuk brush from Target. I was in Target the other day just roaming around and I seen it and I was like, wow, on sale. It came with 3 other brushes in a set and it was on clearance for $10. So, okay, so far so good. This is looking real nice. Damn. Wow, this is like blending into, I don't know if I could tell, but this is like blending seamlessly. Wow, I'm glad I got this. Now the true test is how it is going to work throughout the day. It's 8:53 p.m. on a Sunday. I'm not going anywhere after this, but I do work tomorrow, so tomorrow I will put on a full face and I will wear it throughout the day. I work from 9 to 6, so now I should get home maybe around like 7:30, so that's close to 12 hours. And I'll insert it in this video because I kind of want to see how it holds up throughout the day. I'm not sure if you all noticed or know before, but I do have like a problematic area right here, which is like spots of hyperpigmentation, which I don't mind showing. Like it's not a big deal to me, but this is nice. Whoa, okay, that's nice. And now I'm going to do another pump, and I'm going to use a Real Techniques beauty sponge to apply. I'm gonna wet this really quickly and I'll be back. All right, I went ahead and dampened my beauty sponge and I'm going to apply it once again just with a random brush. Yeah, I didn't expect it to look like this because when I did it on the back of my hand, it just looked a bit dark. And let me not hype this up too soon because it might oxidize and be darker. Like I said, I haven't watched any I haven't sat down and really watched anybody's review on this product. I just been seeing it everywhere. So I'm not sure if it oxidizes. I don't know what the case is, but for right now, it just looks like skin. And it is matte. I'm using a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Because sometimes when I use this, it just picks up the product. You see? Like, it doesn't blend it in. It just picks everything up. So I don't like using this. The other day, I used a dry beauty sponge to blend out my foundation. First time ever using a dry beauty sponge, and I really liked it. So it didn't pick up any of my makeup or anything like that. I am going to finish the rest of my face, and I will be back. All right, y'all, so this is the full face look using the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation. So far, so good. It looks perfect on my skin. You can't even tell I'm wearing foundation, to be honest. How bomb is this? This looks so good. All right, so the true test, it does claim to be a 12-hour wearing foundation. Like I said, tomorrow I do work from 9 to 6, so I'll get up a little bit earlier, hopefully. I will wake up a little bit earlier to put on this full face of makeup for work. Normally, I don't wear this much makeup for work. I just use under eye concealer or foundation underneath my eyes, set it, put mascara on my eyebrows, and I'm good to go. I don't even put highlight on. But for the sake of this video and to just test out this foundation to see if it is true to its word, I am going to put this foundation all over my face tomorrow for work. And normally when I'm at work, my face gets oily, especially around my forehead area and like my temples. It gets super, super oily. And yeah, it's annoying as hell because I be looking like a grease ball at work sometimes, sitting at my desk, and I don't even be moving. Houseway. This shade is like freaking perfect. This looks so good. I'm shook. Truly. Honestly. All right, y'all, so this is how everything is looking at the moment. My face completely done, ready for work. I'm going to the gym after work, so that's gonna be even more perfect because I'll be working out and stuff with the foundation on. So, which as I normally do, like if I'm wearing a full face of, well, I don't normally wear a full face of makeup, sorry. But like sun is peeking through the blinds and stuff now. Is this better? Okay, so I'll be wearing this at the gym. And I'm sorry about the glare. It's, like I said, it's early in the morning. It's like 8:15, 8:20 in the morning. But yeah, I'm going to wear this throughout the day, and I will check in with you all come lunchtime. All right, y'all, so this is my face at the end of the day. It is currently 9:45 p.m. So I don't know if y'all could tell, but my forehead has gotten greasy. I noticed that my nose was really, really shiny. Babe, what'd I tell you? I told you to be quiet.
She ain't oily, that's just sweat from the gym.
Oh, also, I did go to the gym after work, so I worked out a bit for like maybe an hour and a half. This is my face after like work and after going to the gym. I did leave the house around 8:30, and I had to be work at 9, so from 9 to 9:45. This foundation does claim to be a 12-hour matte foundation, but from what I can see, the sides of my face aren't oily. It's just my T-zone area, which is normal. I would still have to blot throughout the day if I wanted to. I just decided not to for the sake of the video, but I would still like maybe put powder down on my forehead and on my in my T-zone area before I applied this, even though this claims to be a matte foundation, or I would apply like a matte primer on in my T-zone area, but not underneath my eyes or around my chin. As y'all can tell, like, it's not greasy, it's pretty matte. If you want to try this out, definitely go ahead and do so. It is very, very cheap. With tax, it was only $9. So I definitely would recommend it if you do have oily skin. I like it. I love the coverage. It did not oxidize. It stayed the same shade throughout the day, and I can appreciate that. Unlike, you know, some other foundations that shit trash. If you all have any questions or concerns, anything that I might have missed that you want to know more about, please leave me a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video.